Dear students, today we will solve the exercise number 2.5, class 8th. Now solve the following linear equations. We have solved 2.4 exercise yesterday. Now we will come on 2.5 exercise. We will find out the value of x. Here x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. In this question, we bring the like terms like that which consists x, we bring them one side and the constant quantities in other side. Like that, it means minus 1 upon 5 is a rational number and 1 upon 4 is also a rational number. So we have to bring these in same side. Now we take x upon 2 minus x upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 4 minus here we bring it minus 1 upon 5 towards right hand side. So it will become positive 1 upon 5. Now the LCM is 6. 2, we have to divide 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6. Then we multiply 3 to the numerator, that is x, minus 3 divide. We have to divide 6 by 3. Then we get 2. Then 2 multiply x. 2 multiply x is equal to, we take the LCM of 4 and 5. Then we get 20. 20 divided by 4 we get 5 here. 5 multiply 1 plus 20 divided by 5. Then we get 4. 4 multiply 1. Here we get 3x minus 2x upon 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 upon 20. Now we solve it. X 3x minus 2x, we get x here upon 6. It means 1x, or we can write x only. Then 4 and 5 is 9 upon 20. Here 6 is in division, so we bring it in right hand side. It will come in multiplication. Implies x is equal to 9 multiply 6 upon 20. Then we get 2 1s and 0 and 2 3s 6. 9 3s 27 implies x is equal to 27 upon 10. Then x is equal to 27 upon 10. It is the value. Now we take another question. X plus 7, question number 3. X plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. In this question, we can take the LCM on both the sides, then we will solve it. Now we take the LCM 3 and we can write this 1 here, we can take 1 here, and 3 is the LCM. 3 divided by 1 we get 3. 3 multiply x plus 7. 3 multiply x plus 7 minus 3 divided by 3, then we get 1. 8x will become here is equal to, here 6 will be the LCM. 6 divided by 6, then we get 1. 1 multiply 17, 17 multiply 1, minus 2, 6 divided by 2, then we get 3, 3 multiplied by 5x. Then we have to multiply 3x, we get 3x plus 21 upon 3 minus 8x is equal to 17 minus 15x upon 6. Now we get 3x minus 8x, 21 minus 5x upon 3 is equal to 17 minus 15, 15x upon 6. Then we cross multiply by these numbers. 21 minus 5x multiplied by 6 implies is equal to 3 multiplies 17 minus 15x. That is, we have to multiply 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 126 minus 6 5 is 30x is equal to 17 3 is 51 minus 15 3 is 45x. Then we bring the like terms in same side. Here minus 30x plus 45x is equal to 51 minus 126. Then we get 15x and that is equal to 126 में से हम माइनस करेंगे अब minus 51, then 5 and 7, that is minus symbol, minus 75 we get. Hence x is equal to minus 75 upon 15, then x is equal to minus 5. Hence we can solve these sums like this, and I want to take another question, 6th question of this exercise. 6th question is m minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 m minus 2 upon 3. Then in this question also we can solve by taking the LCM on both the sides. Now we take LCM 2 and we let here 1 in denominator. 2 divided by 1 we get 2, then multiply by m we get 2m, minus, here is minus sign, 2 divided by 2 we get 1, so 1 is multiply m minus 1, we apply the bracket here, then that is equal to 3, because here is minus sign, therefore we should apply the bracket. 3 divided by 1 we get 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 multiplied by 1 minus, here also minus sign, then 3 divided by 3 we get 1, multiply m minus 2, we apply the bracket also here. Now 2m implies symbol we have to apply, 2m minus m plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 minus m plus 2 upon 3. 3 minus multiply minus symbol to the m minus sign, minus minus plus. Then 2m minus m, we get m here, m plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 plus 2, 5 minus m upon 3. Then we should multiply, cross multiplication here. Then we will multiply 3, multiply m plus 1 is equal to 2 multiply m minus 5 minus m. Then we get 3m multiply plus 3 1 ja 3, 2 5 ja 10 minus 2m. Then we bring in same side 3m plus 2m is equal to 10 minus 3. Then we get 3m, that is 5m is equal to 7, m is equal to 7 by 5. Hence we take last question, that is 10 question is last. So we want to solve 9 question first. We take 9 question, 3 multiply 5z minus 7 bracket close minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 multiply 8z minus 13 minus 17. 4 multiply 8z minus 13 minus 17, that is the question. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 multiply 9z minus 11. Here we solve it for z. Now we multiply, implies 3 5 ja 15z minus 3 7 ja 21 minus 2 9 ja 18z minus multiply minus we get plus 11 2 ja 22 is equal to 4 8 ja 32 z minus 13 4 ja 52 minus 17 implies 15z minus 18z. We get how much? 15z minus 18z we get minus 3z, because 18z is minus and 15z is plus, so we get minus 3z. Minus 21 plus 22 we get 1 here is equal to 32z. 32z minus 52 minus 17, we should add 2 and 7, 9, 1 and 6, 69 we get. Then we bring this 32 minus 3z minus 32z is equal to minus 69 minus 1 we get minus 70 implies minus 35z minus cancel by minus on both the sides, then we get z is equal to 70 by 35. Here 35 1 ja, 35 2 ja, that is z is equal to 2. That is the answer. Now we will solve the last question of this exercise. 0.25 bracket 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 bracket close 10f minus 9. It is the last question of this exercise, so we will solve it. Now we observe that is the question. Now first of all we can write this 25 upon 100 multiply 4f minus 3. 25 we reduce the decimal and convert it decimal into fraction. So we have to divide 100 by 100. 25 upon 100, that is equal to this. We can write 5 upon 100 here because decimal is 2 place after. So we have to divide by 100. 10f minus 9. Then we divide, cancel 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 0 implies we get 1 upon 4. 4f minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 20. 10f minus 9. Then we will multiply, we can write 4f minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 10f minus 9 upon 20. Cross multiply here, then we will multiply 20 by 4f minus 3 is equal to 4 multiply 10f minus 9. Then we will get 24 ja 80 f minus 23 ja 60 is equal to 40. 10 4 ja 40, 4 10 ja 40 f minus 4 into 9 36 implies 40, we get 40f, here is 80f minus 40f is equal to minus 36 plus 60 here. Implies we get 40f is equal to 36. We have to minus, we do minus 60, we get 4 here and 2. Therefore minus 36 and 60 we get 24. Implies f is equal to 24 upon 40 and we will divide by 8 is the common factor, 8 3 ja, 8 5 ja. Then value of f is equal to 3 by 5. So students, I hope that you will solve such type of sums of exercise 2.5. Now we will come of the exercise number 2.6. So you can solve these sums also. Now we come exercise 2.6. Now question number, we take the question. Present age of Anu and Raj are in the ratio. We take the example. Present age of Anu and Raj are 4:5. Example, it is example number 19 of this exercise. Present age, let present age of Anu is equal to 4x year and present age of Raju is equal to 5x years. Now 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. 8 years from now. After 8 years, age of Anu is equal to 4x plus 8. After 8 years, age of Raju is equal to 5x plus 8. According to the question, we can solve the ratio of their ages after 8 years is equal to 5:6. It is given 5:6. It means 4x plus 8 upon 5x plus 8 is equal to 5:6. In this question, we will cross multiply. Then we can write 6 multiply 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 multiply 5x plus 8. Then we will get, what is the sum? That will be equal to 624x plus 48. 6 8 ja 48 is equal to 5 5 ja 25x. 5 multiply 8 40. Then 24x minus 25x is equal to 40 minus 48. Then we get minus x is equal to minus 8. Hence minus cancel on both sides. We get x is equal to 8 years. Age of Anu, present age of Anu, that is equal to, यहाँ present लिख देंगे, that is equal to, that was the ratio. How much ratio? It was 4:5. Then it is equal to 4x. 4 multiply 8, 32 years. And present age of Raju, present age of Raju is equal to 5x. That is equal to 5 multiply 8 is equal to 40 years. Now we take question of this exercise. Question number 4. we will take how we can solve it. Question number 4 is 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Now same we have to we do cross multiplication, then we get 5 multiply 3y plus 4. 5 multiply to whole quantity, then that is equal to minus 2 multiply this 2 minus 6y with minus 2. Then after multiplication we will get 5 3 is 15y plus 20 is equal to 5 4 is 20. That is equal to minus 4 2 is 4 minus minus plus 2 6 is 12y. Then 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 4 minus 20. Then we will get 3y is equal to minus 24, implies y is equal to minus 24 upon 3 is equal to minus 8. Y is equal to minus 8. Then students, we will take another question like that. 7 questions of this exercise, it is the last, and the rest questions you will solve. I will give you the homework and I have sent to you the questions. Now the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. This is the question, denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. Now let numerator of a fraction be x, then denominator is equal to, because denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8, it means x plus 8 will be the denominator. Now fraction, how much fraction will be? Fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator, that is equal to x upon x plus 8. Now if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, then the number obtained is 3 upon 2. According to condition, according to question, if numerator increased by 17, then numerator, new fraction will be equal to, fraction is equal to, numerator increased by 17 is x plus 17 upon denominator is decreased by 1, then denominator was x plus 8 minus 1, that is equal to x plus 17 upon x plus 7. Now new fraction becomes x plus 17 upon x plus 7, that is equal to 3 upon 2, it is given. It becomes 3 upon 2, then we can write, find the rational number. Now we will multiply x plus 17. After cross multiplication, 3 multiply x plus 7, then implies 2x plus 34. 17 multiplied by 2 we get 34. 3x plus 3 multiplied 7, 21. Implies 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 34. That is minus x is equal to minus 13. Implies x is equal to 13. Hence, the rational number of fraction is equal to fraction or rational number is equal to x upon x plus 8. That is equal to x was 13. 13 plus 8 is equal to 13 upon 21. So students, I hope that you can solve the all type of the sums of these exercise 2.5 and 2.6. And thanking you, all the best.